टटा या इसका हमने एंड टटा वाओ दिस इज forgot which coin this is, but I have seen this. So this is like a very good silver and uska they are minting coins like मतलब good nice mint. थोड़ा सा हिला हुआ ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है मेरे को हल्का सा. This is ripple. So this is like a silver and this is I think the minting is great like they could actually mint their own coins. इतना अच्छा है. थोड़ा सा खिसका हुआ है. If I show you हल्का सा सेंटर से खिसका हुआ है maybe this is like a design thing but ये सामने सही रहता ना तो मज़ा आ जाता है but this like पीछे से अच्छा लगता है. So yeah it is and it is 28 grams about and this like a this much thick so yeah it's like a very good coin and like proper बड़ा है अच्छा खासा like see this is like a 4 centimeter coin. So yeah link in the description if you are need just to keep it because it's heavy and it's good. Bye bye, thank you.